That's what's in my driveway. Trying to figure out.
Like little bitty car donuts. Before we begin this like 6-minute video of me driving my little RC car around, so I saw that there was a GoPro deal where you got the whole kit, everything for $249 on Shop My Exchange. It's a website for military people, and you don't pay taxes. So I paid $249 for the GoPro Hero 8 Black bundle. As someone that's never had a GoPro before, I wasn't sure if that was the best deal. And some of you replied and said that's a very good deal. So thank y'all for doing that. And as soon as I bought it, it said there was one left. It was sold out. So some poor soul went to get one after me, and it was sold out. So $249 for my GoPro Hero 8 Black. I've never had a GoPro, so I had to go ahead and test it out with my new RC car. It came with a little head strap, so I put it on my head. I wanted to try that out. And it came with a couple batteries, so when one died, I was able to pop another one in. Pretty sweet little bundle here. All right. Oh, once you stop, it's oh no. Oh, you're gonna need a little help. Oh, that is thick, thick, thick. All right, let's get something that someone hasn't driven in yet. Oh yeah. Oh, just tires are just a little too tiny. Ah. As long as it like hovers above it, it's fine. Oh. No. Yeah, as long as it gets going. That is some thick snow, boy. No, 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 no. You can't stop. You can't stop. You stop, you're done. No, I see. I told you if you stop, you're done. I told you, you didn't listen. Who's doing donuts in our driveway? Oh, just this little RC car. Oh. No, don't get in the wet stuff. Wet stuff is you're done. No way it's getting out of that. Oh, I can just feel it crunching below me. Oh! You just give it a little boost and no! That's not what you want to go in. You stay out of that. Oh, that's so heavy. This whole thing is heavy. Okay, all right. It weighs like twice its weight now. They weren't kidding about it freezing last night because I looked at the cameras about 1 this morning when I woke up and it was frozen underneath the ground. Got quite a bit of the snow off of it. Now it weighs like a normal RC car weight. Ooh, fresh snow. And it doesn't weigh 100 pounds. Oh no! The moment you lose any momentum, you can just feel it sink. Whee! It looks like someone's just doing donuts, like a mini car is doing donuts in the driveway. Oh, that's so much snow on it. It's doing pretty good now, though. I think it just weighed too much earlier and it was getting stuck easier. Oh my gosh, it's gonna need to be cleaned. Oh, see, it's doing much better now. It's gonna need to be dried out. Oh, that's fun. If this was any bigger, it would have no problem with this at all. Ah. I can just see how much it weighs now. It weighs a lot, like probably two and a half times more than it normally does. Because it's got so much snow all over it. Don't get in that. Don't get stuck in that. Like how it just casually does a donut. Keeps going the other way. Oh, you didn't get stuck. I'm so proud of you. It's hard to keep it going straight. Oh, it made it! I so thought it was done there. Like right here. Oh, it's coming out harder now. Yeah, a little too smushy and moggy, like. Oh, you can do it! You can do it! Alright, let's go back in. It's freaking... No, this way. No, this way. Come on. Come on! You can... Oh my god. Oh, battery. Doesn't have much power now. Those tiny little batteries only last about 15, 10 minutes. Maybe 10 if I'm this hard on it. It's so cute.
That's what's in my driveway. Trying to figure out.
Like little bitty car donuts. So, who's the little car? It weighs like 3 times more than it's supposed to because of the snow. Yeah. All right. See y'all later. That was cute. Oh, you guys are adorable.